Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Midjourney Alpha, access new AI image features step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Midjourney Alpha. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the website loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be prompted to enter your credentials. Input your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. After filling in your credentials, look for the Submit or Login button. Click on this button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Midjourney Alpha account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a recovery process. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Once logged in, you will gain access to the new AI image features available in Midjourney Alpha. Take your time to explore the functionalities. Familiarize yourself with the tools and options provided for creating AI-generated images. Enjoy the enhanced experience that Midjourney Alpha offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.